World Environment Day is observed on June 5 every year. A healthy, sustainable environment is under considerable threat because of human exploitation. Ecosystems are getting ruined at a very high rate. At this rate, we might lose much of the sustainable ecosystems within a short time. In today's video, we will provide you with 10 tips to help rebuild and reverse ecosystem deterioration. We will start now. 1. Plant trees. We need to plant the right trees that are highly beneficial for restoring ecosystems. Just sowing a sapling or seed doesn't free us from our responsibility, but we have to make sure that the tree is taken care of by regular watering and protection from wildlife. 2. Rewild. Without interference, nature takes care of itself. If you have a piece of land, allow natural processes to take control. Let nature take its course by reclaiming back what it has lost. You will observe that in some time, wildflowers, plants, birds, and insects will occupy the area, creating a fresh ecosystem. 3. Volunteer. If you are a person who relishes the outdoors, then you will love to be an environmental volunteer. Many environmentalist organizations are looking for volunteers to help them in rejuvenating ecosystems. Check online for local organizations that seek volunteers for environmental projects. Environmental volunteerism helps many wastelands to retain their ecosystems. 4. Reduce meat consumption. One factor that can help restore ecosystems is by reducing the consumption of meat. Experts say that animal agriculture produces approximately 14.5% of the world's greenhouse gases every year. Animal agriculture uses 83% of farmland, which is one of the reasons for deforestation. 5. Simplify your living. Life can be led simply. We complicate it too much, which in turn ruins our peace and also deteriorates our environment. Simplifying living releases pressure from the environment. Try to buy fewer clothes and purchase second-hand goods. Furthermore, recycling whatever is unusable will help restore ecosystems to a great extent. 6. Encourage and buy green products. There are plenty of eco-friendly business houses that are committed to reducing greenhouse gases. They use recycled handmade packaging, green fuels instead of fossil fuels, and much more. We should try to buy from those vendors and encourage others to do the same. Buying green products will reduce greenhouse gas emissions and will support the sustainability of ecosystems. 7. Buy organic fruits and veggies. Because of its features, many farmers around the globe have switched to organic farming. Organic farming is eco-friendly because toxic pesticides and fertilizers are not used at all. Organic farming also enhances the quality of the soil and reduces pollution considerably. Organic farming not only produces healthy food but also builds healthy ecosystems. You should switch to organic farming to support our ecosystems. 8. Donate to environment volunteerism. If you are unable to spend your time on environmental volunteerism, you can contribute resources to the environmental volunteer groups that are involved in ecosystem restoration. Several environmental societies need resources to help ecosystems. You can contribute to any group you believe is genuinely doing a good job in ecosystem restoration. 9. Use green energy at home. You can lead by example by switching to cleaner and greener energy at home. Solar energy, air source heat pumps, wind energy, biomass systems, and hydroelectric system are the options you can use at home. You can use one or more of these options as per your feasibility and availability. Green energy not only saves you money, but it is also beneficial for the ecosystems. 10. Help seas by cleaning the beach. It is estimated that almost 14 million tons of plastic end up in the sea every year, which is around 80% of the human junk found in the sea. This interference greatly disturbs the ecosystems in the sea. We can do a great deal by cleaning beaches whenever we can. If every beachgoer makes it a habit to clean beaches of plastic and other trash, we can reduce the sea pollution, and this will, in turn, help the ecosystems found in the sea. Thanks for being with us. Please support Sheik's Picks by subscribing to the channel and providing your honest feedback in the comment section. Please stay tuned for the next video coming your way now.